Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Children, let's get started with our NAVODAYA coaching class for maths. Okay, so before I start, let me tell you all that we are live on YouTube. Kindly make sure that you use the chat box, the live chat box, to give the answers, or if you have any questions, any queries related to the topic, let me know there. Okay? I'll be happy to help. So, children, please share the link of this session with your friends so that they can also join. All right, so let's get started. All right, so here we have, one second. I hope my screen is visible to you. Okay, so we were doing fractions. So fractions, let's know more about fractions. Actually, we have already done fractions. So today we are going to know more about fractions. Okay, let's discuss the operator of in fractions. Like, what do you mean by of in fractions? Of is similar to multiplication. Of means multiply, right? Let's see how of means multiply and how do we have to solve such right questions. 1 by 2 of 500 means half basically of 500. So of means times 1 by 2 times 500. 1 times 500 is 500 by 2. 500 by 2 is 2, like you can write this 500 as 2 times 250. Okay. And 2 will be cancelled. 250 is the answer. Yeah. So 1 by 2 of 500 is 250. Okay. So half of 500 or 1 by 2 of 500 is 250. Again, 1 by 2 of 200, I want you to do this. Oh, okay. Let me do one thing. I will do it here. 1 by 2 of 200. So 1 time 200 is 200 by 2. I can write 200 as 2 times 100 and 2 in the denominator. Cancel, cancel. It is equal to 100. 100 is the answer. Okay. All right. Next, 1 by 2 of 400. Questions are very, very easy. One by 2 of 400. Okay. So here 1 by 2 will be written like that only. Of means multiply. So 1 times 400 is 400. In
Please wait for a few minutes, students. There is some network issue.
All right, I'm so sorry for that. I'm back. Okay, so we were doing this question, 1 by 2 of 400. I hope you are able to see my screen. Yeah, it's 1 by 2 of 400. So 400 by 2, 400 will be written as 2 times 200 and 2 in the denominator. 2 cancel, 200 is the answer. Next, 1 by 2 of 1000. 1 by 2 of 1000. Okay, so here we have 1 by 2 of 1000. How we can do it? You know that of means times. So 1 time 1000. 1000 can be written as 2 times 500, right? This is 1000 by 2. So 1000 can be written as 2 times 500 in the denominator 2. So 2 cancel, 500 is the answer. Did you get the same answer? Oh, yes, I can see in the chat. Yes, perfect. Okay, next one. 1 by 2 of 80. Please do this. 1 by 2 of 80. 1 by 2 of 80. 1 by 2 is also said as half. Okay, so I hope it's done. Here, 1 by 2 of is times. This is 80 by 2. Okay, so 80 can be written as 2 times 40 in the denominator 2. Cancel, cancel 2. 40 is the answer. You can also say half of, 80, 40. Vaishnavi, very nice. Good. That's the right answer. I can see the live chat. 1/3 of 90. 1 by 3 of 90. Of is times. So here, how we can do is, uh, now 1 time 90 is 90. In the denominator, it's 3. So I need to write this 90 with respect to 3. So I can do it like 3 times 30 in the denominator 3. 3 cancel. 30 is the answer. Okay? 30 is the answer. 1 by 4 of 200. Of means times. Come on, children, do it quickly. This should not take much time. Answer in the chat. There is a chat box for you. Please answer there. So 1 by 4 of 200. 200, 1 time 200 is 200. In the denominator, it's 4. I can write this as 4 times 50. In the denominator, 4. Cancel, cancel. 50 is the answer. Okay? 1 by 5 of 200. 1 by 5 of 200. Come on. These are super easy questions. Okay, so here 1 by 5 of 200 is 1 time 200 is 200. In the denominator, it's 5. I can write 200 as 5 times 40. Wait. Sorry. I'm sorry. Uh, oh, what happened? 1 second. Just hold on. Okay. Yeah. So, 5 times 40 is how we can write this. So, 5 cancel, 40 is the answer. 1 by 5 of 200 is 40. Next question, 1 by 5 of 1000 this time. 1/5 of 1000. What will be the answer? 1/5 of 1000. 1/5 of 1000. So here, 1 time 1000 is 1000. In the denominator, it's 5. 5 times 200 is 1000. 5 times 200 is 1000. 5 cancel. 200 is the answer. 200 is the answer. 1/10 of 9000. This time it is 1/10 of 10,000. 1/10 of 9,000. Sorry. 1/10 of 9,000. 1/10 of 9,000. Good. I am able to see your responses in the live chat. I'm happy to see that you all are responding and giving the right answers. Okay, so I can write this 9,000 by 10, whereas 9,000 can be written as 10 times 900. In the denominator 10, 10 cancel, 900 is the answer. Right? 900. 1 by 100 of 900. 1 by 100 of 900. 1 by 100 of 900. Okay, let's do this. So 900 by 100 can be written as 100 times 9 is 900 and 100 in the denominator. Cancel, 9 is the answer. Okay, 9 is the answer. I hope you got the same answer. Yeah, all right. Next one is 1/20th. 1 by 20 of 800. How will you do it? Very easy. All these questions are super easy. Okay, so here it's 1/20th of 800. How can I write 800 by 20? Like 800 with respect to 20 so that I can cancel or just reduce 20 times 40. Okay, 20 times 40 is 800 because 2 times 4 is 8 and then we have two zeros which is 800. In the denominator 20, cancel. 40 is the answer. Did you get 40? Yeah, I can see that students got 40. Perfect. 1/6 of 1200. 1/6 of 1200. 1200 by 6. How will you write this 1200 with respect to 6? Very nice, Vaishnavi. I am really happy with your performance. Good job. Srinthya, please respond. Okay, so here 1200, how can I write 1200? 6 times 200 is 1200. 6 cancel. 200 is the answer. Yeah? Next one. Let's discuss the operator of. Of is similar to multiplication, you know. This is half. Half of 200 is 1 by 2 times 200, 200 by 2. So 2 cancel, 100 is the answer. Half of 200 is 100. This time, I'll not give you the fractions. Instead, I will just give you the terms like half, one third, one tenth, or three fourth. Like that, we are going to do. Though I was saying these terms in the previous questions as well, but this time no fraction will be given to you, only these terms. Like half of 500. What is the half of 500? You have to do it in the same way. Off is written now, you have to do it in the same way. Done. I hope it is. Okay, so over here it's like half of 500. Half of 500. Simple. So here 500 by 2, right? So 2 times 250 will give me 500 in the denominator. 2 cancel, 250 is the answer. Half of 500 is 250. Next is half of 900. Half, you know, is 1 by 2. That is 250, not 25. That's 250. Okay. What will this be? So I can write 900 as 2 times 450. 2 in the denominator. Cancel, cancel. 450 is the answer. Okay. Next is one third. One third means 1 by 3. One third of 600 is 1 times 600 is 600 divided by 3. 3 times 200 is how I can write 3 cancel, and 200 is the answer. In the same way you have to do, we can say that one third of 600 is 200. Now you have to find the one third of 60. One third of 60. One third of 60. Okay, so here, okay, got it. 60 is written as 3 times 20. In the denominator, it's 3. Cancel, cancel. 20 is the answer. Uh, yeah. Okay, 20. One third of 1200. One third of 1200. So here, 1200 by 3. So I can write 1200 as 3 times 400 by 3. 3 cancel, 400 is the answer. Okay, 3 cancel, 400 is the answer. Next one, 2/3. 2/3 is 2 by 3, 2 over 3. 2/3 of 600. This is how we write 2 by 3. Of means times 600. 2 by 3 of 600. 2 times 600 in the denominator, it is 3. I'll open this 600. I have written the 600 as 3 times 200. 3 cancel. 200 times 2 or 2 times 200 is the answer, which is 400. Now, how we have done it, I'll explain you again. 2/3 of 600. So it means 2 by 3 times 600. 2 times 600, I have written like that only in the numerator. In the denominator, it's just 3. I have written this 600 in the form as I have written this as 3 times 200, which is 600. 3 cancel, 2 times 200 is 400. So here we can say that 2/3 of 600 is 400. Let's practice some question. It's 2/3 of 900. Just give it a try. Two-third of 900. Done. Okay, see how we do it. Uh, just 1 minute more and then I'll tell you. Okay, here 2 times 900. In the denominator, it's 3. Okay, 2 times, I will write 900 as 3 times 300. In the denominator, 3. 3 times 300 is 900. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. Okay, 3 and 3 will be cancelled. I have got 2 times 300 now, which is equal to 600. My answer is 600. That 2/3 of 900 is 600. Okay. 2/3 of 450. Questions are very amazing. Do them. 2/3 of 450. Yeah, do it. 2/3 of 450. Done. So here I can do it like 2 times 450. In the denominator, it's 3. 2 times 450 will be written as, I can write it as 3 times 150. Okay. So 3 cancelled. 2 times 150 means, this is my answer. 2 times 150 is 300. 300 is my answer. So 2/3 of 450 is 300. Now moving on to 1/4. Yeah, good, good, very nice. Uh, 1/4 of 200. 1/4 is simply 1 by 4 of 200. 1 by 4 of means times. Here, 1 time 200, in the denominator, we have 4. Okay, I can write this 200 as 4 times 50. Yeah, 4 times 50. 4 cancel, 50 is my answer. That means 1/4 of 200 is 50. 1/4 of 200 is 50. Now we will be finding the 1/4 of 1200. 1/4 of 1200. Do it. 1/4 of 1200. Okay, very nice. Here, how we do it is like this is 1200 by 4. I can write this 1200 as uh, 4 times 300 in the denominator 4. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. So yes, here it's like, okay, sorry. So 4 times 300 I can write. 4 cancel, 300 is the answer. Next question. Find 1/4 of 420. 1/4 of 420. Okay, so 420 by 4. I can write 420 as 4 times 105. In the denominator, it's 4. Okay, 4 times 105. So 4 and 4 is cancelled. 105 is the answer. Yeah. Now comes 3/4. What do you mean by 3/4? 3/4 is 3 by 4. 3/4 of 200. So 3 by 4 of 200. 3 by 4 times 200 basically. 3 times 200, in the denominator it's 4. How can I write 200 with respect to 4? 3 times 200 can be written as 4 times 50. Okay, it's 4 times 50. Now 4 and 4 being cancelled, 3 times 50 is 150. Here I have got 3 and 50, no? So 3 times 50 is 150. So 3/4 of 200 is 150. Now find 3/4 of 300. 3/4 of 300. So 3 by 4 of 300. 3 times 300 it is. In the denominator 4. 3 times, okay, wait. Yeah, do it. Done. So I can write 300 as 3 times 4 times 75. In the denominator 4. Cancel, cancel. Now I have got 3 times 75. Okay. 225 is my answer. 225. Next question. 3/4 of 420. 3/4 of 420. That means 3 times 420, in the denominator 4. Do it. How will you do it? 3 times what? So I can write this as 3 times 4 times 105. Okay. In the denominator 4. Yeah. 4 cancel. It's 3 times 105. Okay. Which is equal to 315. Yeah. So children, one last question. 3/4 of 1200. Come on. 3/4 of 1200. So here it is 3 times 4 times 300. 3 times 4 times 300, because 1200 is written as 4 times 300. Okay, in the denominator it's 4. 4 cancel. Okay, 3 times 300, which is equal to 900. Okay, that's how you have to do it. And yes, children, that's all for our today's class. Thank you so much for paying attention and joining the class. I'll see you super soon in the next class. By the time, keep practicing. Okay, focus on the concepts once again. Watch the replay of the sessions and let me know if you have any doubts. I'll be happy to help. Okay, so yeah, it's time to say bye bye. Have a good day, dear children, and take care. See you.